Hi, it's Jack Muchler, aka Blackjack. I'm going to show you what the scientific method is in a very unusual way. A way using magic. So come in close. Closer. Closer. Because with magic, the more you think you see, the easier I can fool you. I like science, but I love magic. If I had to choose between them, sorry Mr. Cross, I would pick magic every time. My Uncle Tom, he's really good at card tricks. I used to be his assistant when he comes to town, and he taught me a few tricks of my own. I've been practicing all summer, and I've gotten pretty good at a few things like shuffling, flourishing, and different ways to cut the cards. My Uncle Tom teaches math, and he taught me that every card or magic trick has to obey the laws of math and physics. But a magician who is well trained and has good technique and showmanship who can fool the best scientists every time. It takes a lot of practice and patience, and not being afraid of making mistakes. But until I took Mr. Cross's science class, I didn't realize that I could combine my love of magic with science, especially when it comes to explaining the scientific method. What is the scientific method? It's a way to conduct an objective investigation. There are several steps to the scientific method. Step one, state the problem. Step two, create a hypothesis. Step three, have an experiment. And step four, a conclusion. Now I'd like to bring in my assistant, my mom, to show you what I mean. Hello. Alright, so I'm going to show you a magic trick with playing cards. Okay?
Okay.
So you can pick a card, any card. Okay, look at it and show the camera.
Okay.
Alright, so put it on top. Okay, so I haven't done anything to it. Okay, so I'm gonna be shuffling. Okay, and cutting the cards. Alright. So is the top card your card?
Nope.
No? Okay. Is the bottom card your card?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. Well, think of your card, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna be rubbing the card. Okay. Now, is that your card?
Yeah! Whoa! Woo!
Now then, state the problem.
I have no idea how Jack did that trick.
Step two, create a hypothesis. If I said that the hypothesis is it's magic, no one, even my mom, would believe I defined the laws of science. She would know that there has to be a legitimate solution to explain how I did the trick. Instead, my mom's hypothesis might be,
If Jack found my card, he must have a way of controlling the cards.
so stay tuned for step three. Now we're back. Step three, test your hypothesis. My mom might go out to the internet to try to find the answer to my trick. She might look in a book about card tricks as well. She might call my Uncle Tom to try to get him to tell her.
He says a good magician never reveals his secrets.
She might ask me to show her the trick a bunch more times.
Jack, tell me how to do the trick.
No, I already showed you.
Do the trick for me one
No,
more
I already
time.
showed you
Come
once.
on.
She might try to do the trick. Depending upon how good she is at all these steps and how much time she's willing to spend, she might be able to figure out a logical solution to how the trick is performed.
Aha!
And that is the scientific method in action. Scientists go through the same steps to learn all sorts of things about the world, the universe, and they are trying to learn the magic or tricks that nature plays on us all the time. Like we did in class with the mystery box. Speaking of mystery box, I have one of my own. You see? There's nothing in here. But look into the eye of the box and watch carefully. It's magic or science. It doesn't matter how complicated the magic trick or the scientific problem. The same scientific method applies to learning the trick every time. So next time you see a trick performed and the magician says, "That's magic," you can say, "Nope, that's science."